है नई दिल्ली के जंतर मंतर पर जो है मणिपुर को लेकर के जो है विशाल रूप में धरना प्रदर्शन किया गया है। काफी संख्या में यहाँ पे लोग मौजूद रहे और कहें तो कांग्रेस पार्टी के भी कुछ लोग यहाँ पे मौजूद रहे। अन्य जो संगठन है वो भी यहाँ पर मौजूद रहे। हमारे साथ कुछ लोग जुड़ चुके हैं, उनसे हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे क्या कुछ डिमांड्स रख रहे हैं सरकार के समक्ष और क्यों ये धरना किया गया था। सर, आपका इंट्रोडक्शन।
I am Dr. Ravi Khan, spokesperson Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee and also Vice Chairman of the State Legal Department, MPCC. Now we are here to protest against the present double engine BJP government, center and both state, because in Manipur since last year 2023 May 3rd till that now the violence is still continuing, and even the valley people cannot move or go to the hill area, and hill people also unable to visit the Ifal city because of this unwanted turmoil happening in the state of Manipur. And even the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has not visited the state of Manipur, but he spent many days in visiting the foreign countries and even in other states of the Indian Union, but he never wants to visit the state of Manipur since after the violence is erupted in Manipur.
सर, बात करें प्रधानमंत्री जी महिलाओं की सुरक्षा की बात करते हैं और एक तरफ मणिपुर जल रहा है, वहाँ पे जो है शांति की अपील करें।
ये प्रधानमंत्री जी बोलने में तो अच्छा बोलता है, he speaks about the security of women and children, but he never he never try to visit the state of Manipur. So many children, women and aged persons have been killed because of this violence. And Prime Minister, not only the Prime Minister, even the Home Minister Amit Shahji also, he is also not ready to visit in the state of Manipur. Once he visited in the state of Manipur when the violence is started, and he said that he will revisit the state of Manipur after 10 days or 15 days. He promised to revisit the Manipur. Okay, but he failed. He never keep up his promise or statement, and Prime Minister is the silent spectator head of the Indian Union.
मैसेज कुछ देना चाहेंगे?
अभी हमारा तरफ से अभी ये यहाँ जंतर मंतर दिल्ली में आज 9 दिसंबर 2024, इसमें अभी मणिपुर से इतना दूर आके और इंडिया का दूसरा स्टेट से भी हमारा कांग्रेस के साथ इंडिया ब्लॉक मणिपुर शामिल हो रहा है। रेस्पेक्टेबल MPs, MLAs एंड मैनी लीडर्स हमारा साथ ज्वाइन करता है प्रोटेस्ट में। हम जल्द से जल्द आप ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी, ऑनरेबल होम मिनिस्टर श्री अमित शाह जी, आप लोग एक बार मणिपुर में आके मणिपुर के सिचुएशन देख लीजिए और मणिपुर में जल्दी शांति लाने के लिए कोशिश कीजिए। इसको आप ये खबर आपके कान तक पहुंचना चाहिए मीडिया के थ्रू से। थैंक
यू। Slogans to strengthen our movement.
I will say these four. Kindly say Manipur. Peaceful. 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 Next, I will request all of you to say. I will say PM Saab. You will reply Manipur Chalo. PM Saab. PM Saab. PM Saab. PM Saab. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
So like the burning of the houses, the injuries that happen, the killings of the peoples, the IDPs whoever there in Manipur, more than 60,000 IDPs are there in this relief camp. Still this continues, and hundreds of people were killed. On that matter, Supreme Court had served this silk over report to the government of Manipur. So in this connections, I just want to say is that the state government would not do anything, because already the Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court has said and given the instruction that the entire law and order situation over there is totally breakdown. That was given by the Honorable Supreme Court, but that is nothing happened, nothing response was given by the state government. Still today is update by the Supreme Court, which is mentioned here to submit the report with silk cover. That would not happen, nothing development at all, because this state government, there in the state, this is the BJP government is totally protected by the Amit Shah ji. That is why nothing will be development at all, and that report may not be submitted or may not be done, whatever it is, but it is totally paralyzed over there. No administration at all, no protection of life in the properties over there. That is very painful where we are facing there. So I will now move the resolution of this sitting, this protest, sitting demonstrations done by our India bloc, India Alliance. So in this connection, I will just read it out. The move. India bloc Manipur resolves to face for the following demands to the Presidents of India and the Prime Ministers of India. Number one, Prime Minister